Hey Internet, welcome to Heat Transfer Tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What is the primary cause A for heat transfer, B, electron flow, and C, fluid flow? The summary. Heat transfer is caused by the difference in temperature. Electron flow is the difference in electrical potential, which is voltage. Fluid flow is the difference in pressure. We're going to dive in just a little bit deeper. So heat transfer occurs because of the second law of thermodynamics, which states that energy goes in one direction due to entropy. So when energy is dispersed, it only goes one way. It goes from high to low. So we've got some various ways of transferring heat, and I'm sure you would recognize these from high school: conduction, convection, radiation. Conduction is through touch. So that is a contact to contact. So atoms transfer energies to atoms. Convection is there's an in-between medium. So say for example you got a metal, water, and a metal. So the hot metal transfers it to the water, and then the water transfers it to the next metal. So that is convection. So it's mainly in fluids, so liquids or gas. And then we have radiation. So radiation is energy transferred through electromagnetic waves. So this is conducted through a vacuum. Okay, we've got electron flow. So this is the potential difference in electricity. It moves from negative to positive, and the potential difference is called a voltage. So the voltage pushes the electrons through a conductor, and the conductors in this case will be metals, so materials that allow you to have the electrons to pass through easily. So metals are the common case. There are non-metal superconductors as well, but we won't go into that. Okay, and then we have an electric field. So when you have a voltage, it creates an electric field which pushes the electrons and moves them in the opposite direction of the field. Fluid flow, very similar to electron flow, is that we have a pressure. In fact, all of these are very similar. So we got a potential difference in pressure, and this pressure pushes fluid from one end to another end, generally from the high pressure to a low pressure end. We've got Bernoulli's principle. So it states that in the speed of a fluid occurs simultaneously with a decrease in pressure or the potential energy of the fluid. So when you manipulate the pressure or the potential energy of the fluid, you can change the speed. So this is helpful for dams. So when you have a dam and then you release the water, it turns the turbine, which creates electricity. So yeah. And then we talk about the continuity equation. So that's just manipulating your surface area to change your velocity. So when you change the cross-sectional area, you can change the velocity of the fluid. Okay, so like and subscribe if you want to support me, become a member, or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends because this is not in textbooks, so they won't find it. If you have questions or you thought this was helpful, leave a comment. Until next time, see ya.